unboxing I got right here is the blue Nintendo Switch. Y'all can zoom in. Y'all can see it. The blue Nintendo Switch. Right here, just all the way around. And they got the Nintendo right there, and they got someone holding the Nintendo Switch. And let's see if it actually looks like that inside. So I'm gonna open this up now. Y'all can see me in my car kind of laid back right now, so I'm doing this unboxing. This is how it looks when you first open it up. I always make sure I got everything in there. There's nothing in the box. That's it right there. And it looks like this. It's like a little cover on it right here. Y'all can see. It's in a nice case right here. So yeah, you just pull it out. That was easy right there. You just pull it out. And it comes out like this. So you see it got the plastic on top of it. It looks pretty good. I heard that this is only 1 pound. The Nintendo Switch Lite is only 1 pound. So it is pretty light, and that's good, you know what I'm saying? It's still lighter than my cell phone, to be completely honest. Kind of thing. The plastic right here. Let's see what we got here. So I guess you lift this up. Yep, and this is the main. Looks like it's the Nintendo Switch manual right here. It's a pretty thin manual. It's not really that heavy. And then you have your, looks like your USB. Looks like the USB cable. Yep, USB cable you can plug up in the wall. It's nice to get a portable one if you have a portable one too. Because, you know, in case you travel with it, you know what I'm saying, you won't have to have nothing to plug up in the socket, you know what I'm saying. And that's all that's in here right here. That's all that's in here, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Alrighty, so that's the unboxing. I'm going to take it out right now just to see how it feels. It actually don't feel bad, you know what I'm saying. It got the game card slot. You put the game card in there. You got the volume. You got the headphone jack port. You got the micro SD. Put the micro SD in there. And I'm about to do that real soon. The volume button's at the top, like I said. Then the home button. But it feels kind of light though. It's really light. I think this was like $200, so it's not an extreme amount of money. But you know, I just wanted to have something to do. I wanted to kind of, you know, get back to playing games again. The good thing about the Nintendo Switch Lite is that it's mobile. You know what I'm saying? Like you can take it with you and stuff. And like I said, this is brand new. You know, it's one of the most quickest consoles out there. And I decided to get this spot. I'm not even a huge Nintendo fan, but I do like Mario. So last time I checked, Mario is Nintendo. But anyways, yeah, I appreciate y'all watching the video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. This is a brand new, ladies and gentlemen, Nintendo Switch Lite, and this is the blue one. But it looks more dark blue though. It's dark blue.